Hi everyone, it's Louise. Welcome to my channel. I have to apologize for this format. I already had these boxed up to ship before I made the video, and I forgot to make a regular sized video here. But anyway, here are the 3 jar lids. Here's the underside of it, and here they are together, and I will get into the creation video in just a second here. So everyone, I'm back for the second jar lid that I'm creating on commission. And it was because I was asked by Cathleen at Cause Creations. If you haven't seen her channel, you have to go there, Cause, C-O-Z Creations. She asked me to make a set of jar lids for her in a very monochromatic color palette, which I did. And she posted it the other day, and one of her followers asked me to make her a set. So that's what I'm doing. And now, that original video was from 324, it's video 324, I'll link it above. I apologize, I have a little bit of a spring cold I'm fighting. But anyway, here are the colors. This is Modern Masters, Pearl White, and Golden's Shading Gray. This is the same color palette I used for Cathleen, and the lady has the same color palette for her house. So that's kind of cool. Okay, here is my Golden's Iridescent Silver. Just straight up iridescent silver. This is TLP Whitehaven with a little bit of Prism Pores Chantilly lace and some Golden's Iridescent Pearl. And now here's the black, which is a combination of 4 colors. It's Deco Art's Obsidian with Deco Art's black base. This Enchanted, which is a very, very dark black. Golden's Carbon Black. And what's the last color? I'll look for a second. Look in a second. Amsterdam's Lamp Black. Got some bubbles going on already. I really don't want to fight the bubbles. Really tired of the bubbles. Stop bubbling. Okay, cell activator. Got white, and then the black. This is my American Floetrol cell activator, video 141. I just mixed this up yesterday, and I'm glad I'm using it because I really love this. It's the white, a nice halo happening, the black, and here we go. So in my usual fashion, I like to talk through the blowout, and I blow straight down into the cell activator until it forms a circle and a ridge. Once I see the ridge of paint, I blow at that ridge of paint, which is the cell activator, which then I blow the cell activator out over the paints, and then the paints skim out over the pillow, and then I spread it out, not all the way to the edge, because I'm going to let the spinning take care of the composition forming and stretching it out. So I just blow it just shy of the edge. Now I'm just stretching the paint to the sides and over the edges. So when I get ready to spin it, the paint knows exactly where it's supposed to go. And if you miss a spot, I'm telling you, you'll see the paint, wherever that spot is missed, will look like it's at a stoplight. It'll look like it's just stopped on purpose, like the brakes were hit. And you want everything to smooth, to blow out and spread out as evenly as possible. At least that's how I like to do it. You don't have to. You can be, blow out one side versus the other, but I like to be as uniform as possible because I have more control over it that way of spreading out properly. Gentle spin, see where we are. Pretty centered. Now, if you watch me, you'll know I am a very gentle spinner, and oftentimes I'll just let it run if it's on a good spin and I see things spreading out nicely. You never want to jerk it to a stop or jerk it to start, in my opinion. And bear in mind, everything I tell you guys is based on my experience and my opinion. I tell you what I find works for me. That does not necessarily make it right or wrong. It's just what I find I like to do. We all are going to have our own style. And it was funny, when I was first starting out, I wanted to find my artistic voice. What was my style going to be? I don't talk about this much, but I felt like I was just kind of wandering lost. And I was hoping I would find myself. And I really think I have in the blooming. I mean, I like to do other things too. And I really like the bloom because it is such a versatile technique. You can do a lot of things with the bloom. And you can use it for functional art. It's useful. So that to me is the beauty, the best of it. You get the best of both worlds. You get beauty and functionality. Still got to get a little more of that off. That's why I was just blowing out a little bit. A little more spinning. A little faster this time since we're already stretched out. I kind of like that little swoop there. I just wish that the paint would go down the sides. Oh, so pretty. It's amazing. I can think that this black and monochromatic is pretty. Let's see if I can pull some bits to the side. There we go. I don't know if you saw what I did there. I just dabbed into the white area and then just let the paint pull itself down. And voila. I think one more will do it. Okay, you'll clean up on the bottom. So here I'm just going to run the popsicle stick along the bottom just to clean off the extra drips that are coming down. Get off the excess. And I'm going to skip ahead a little bit here. All right. Here she is. Another beauty. I'm really happy with these. It's number 2. So everyone, that's a wrap. Here are the wet results, and this is the exact same video I sent to the client for her approval before I went forward with the resining process. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a comment. A thumbs up would be nice too. And if you're new here and haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell and all. You'll get all my latest art tutorials, and I mix it up a lot. I either try different things or create in different ways. So at the end here, I'm going to link my playlist for my jar lids. You can see other color combinations and other results. And here are the final results with each of the 3 jar lids. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Till next time.